Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Myra Salcido from University of Texas Permian Basin, and I am teaching this American Literature online course from the beginnings of literature in America through 1865. I have an important announcement. It's come to our attention that some people have registered for this class without having taken English 1301 and English 1302. Those are both prerequisites for the class, and that is an accreditation policy in the law. And also, you would be tremendously lost in this course when it comes to writing essays if you do not know modern language association style, essay writing, formatting, citations. You learn that in English 1301 and English 1302. So once you watch this video, email me through Canvas and let me know if you might need to drop the course and take 1301 or 1302 or something else, but you cannot pass this class without those prerequisites. So I'm letting you know right now. Do contact me. We only have 9 in the class, but there's still people enrolling. So I moved down a due date till next week because people are just getting into the class this afternoon and they don't have time to have things done by tomorrow, an original due date. So the books you need are the Norton Anthology of American Literature, the 9th edition. The 8th edition, other editions won't have everything that you need. And it's 2 books. The Beginnings to 1820, I believe it's Book A, and Book B is the Norton Anthology American Literature 1820 to 1865, and it should be Volume B. But they're both the 9th edition, and they're huge, heavy books that are really rough to carry around in a backpack. But I didn't make the book decision on this course. It has everything you need until we can get a lot more of this stuff free online. The books are expensive, but you need them as soon as you can get them. And people are wondering about Meet the Professor Day, how to do that assignment. Obviously, if you're not on campus, you can't come by my office if you're in another city or state. And I could make FaceTime calls and set up video conferences. I know everybody has busy schedules. You can't meet at the same time. So all you have to do to satisfy that assignment, it's the equivalency of a discussion board grade, is to email me in Canvas and say hello to me personally. And now there is a getting to know you video that you need to be making by January 18th, which is Saturday, before midnight, that you need to make a video about yourself, and that's in the modules, how to do that. There's 3 papers in the course. They're 4 to 6 pages each, and they need to be in modern language association style. And I will go over each paper before we do them, so there won't be any surprises. There are a lot of lecture quizzes, and don't panic because they're challenging, but just listen to the lectures. You can pause the lectures, they're on video, and take notes of certain things. And after you've taken the first quiz, you'll get the hang of it. The quiz is embedded in the lecture. So make sure you have time to watch the lecture and take the quizzes before you start, because most quizzes will not let you go back. Once you start, even if the computer says you can start and pause, you cannot. Once you get into it, you need to do it in one sitting, complete it in one sitting. So there'll be a lecture, say, on maybe Frederick Douglass, and 3 questions per quiz, just 3. So you really need to listen carefully to the lectures, and then the quiz will pause and a question will pop up, and you get time to answer it. And at the end of the 3 questions in the quiz and the lecture is all embedded in one video. You get an opportunity to change an answer if you want. So this is very reading and writing intensive course. There is a midterm and a final exam, but they're very brief. They're not real comprehensive and real challenging. So you just need to pay attention to themes, period themes, culture of the time, what people believed, how they perceive some of the works written in this course, and I'll talk about that more later. I just wanted to get people going, and I will try to have more videos and weekly announcements every week. Check the announcements first. And I'm going to send an announcement around about this video and put it into the module 1 or on the homepage or in the announcement in several places so you see it, because it's going to be on YouTube. And that's the fastest I can make a video, and this announcement needs to get out. So I'm glad to have you in this class. Do not hesitate to shoot me an email. My cell phone number is in the course. You can text me, text before calling in case I'm making a video. So this is the first video, and I'm glad to have you all in class. And please, if you do not meet the prerequisites, let me know right away. And happy reading. It's really intriguing literature. So you'll learn some things. And this video is getting long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off and make another one later. And I'll see you at the next video.